Did you know that winter in Canada brings its own set of health challenges? As the snow blankets the landscape and the air grows crisp, a host of winter diseases make their presence known. First up, meet the flu, or influenza, a highly contagious viral infection that loves to make an appearance during the chilly months. Fever body aches, a sore throat, and a runny or stuffy nose are the calling cards of this unwanted guest. Now, you might ask, how does one fend off the flu? An annual flu shot is your best bet. And to that, good hygiene practices, and you've got a robust flu prevention strategy. Next in line, we have the common cold. This one's a bit of shapeshifter, caused by an array of viruses. Its symptoms are similar to the flu, but usually milder. While there's no cure for the common cold, you can soothe its symptoms. Staying hydrated, getting ample rest, and using over-the-counter cold remedies can help. And remember, prevention is better than cure. Keep your hands clean. Avoid contact with those already infected. And keep your immune system strong. Then we have seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, a type of depression that shows up when daylight hours dwindle, low energy, mood changes, and carb cravings are most common symptoms. Light therapy, which involves exposure to a bright light that mimics natural sunlight, is a popular treatment for SAD. A regular sleep schedule, physical activity, and dietary changes can also help manage and prevent this condition. Finally, we have frostbite and hypothermia, two cold-related conditions that can be serious. Frostbite is when your skin and underlying tissues freeze, causing damage. Dressing warmly and covering exposed skin can prevent it. Hypothermia is when your body loses heat faster than it can produce it. If you notice signs like shivering, confusion, and slurred speech, seek immediate medical attention. Prevention involves staying warm and dry. In conclusion, winter in Canada might bring with a few health challenges, from the flu to frostbite. But with the right knowledge, preventive measures, and care, these can be effectively managed. Always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. So gear up, stay warm, stay well, and savor the magic